wishes to Saurabh ji. And then this is made with Gomayam and Nirmalyam, the product of Gomaya Pushpa. It's a Shakti, especially for you, because I want you to get abundance, because with this Shakti empower more women. And I have to mention one more thing here. From Gomaya Pushpam, we do give this Sri Shakti to only women who themselves are Shakti, and invoking Shakti in other women. But here, for the first time, I'm giving my brother Shakti, Gomayam Shakti, because he's empowering more women, and especially, I'm a proud queen of Grand Queens, and to mention so many queens whom we look at, they are really, doing great things for the society, and them is bringing them together. He, in the sense, Saurabh and Rupaji. So they are bringing them together, and creating that bond network where they'll be ambassadors and to work for the society. That's a great thing. So invoking all the Shakti in all the women, so this deserves to be, So from this birthday, probably you'll be doing many more. And to mention one more thing, to introduce myself, I'm Praveena Tota, founder director of Women in Vision Council for Entrepreneurship, and Gomaya Pushpam, and the Queen of Grand Queens. So we always get that, support, and that affectionate gesture from them. That's what makes us to move. And our journey with Saurabh ji, I can say, empowering MSMEs, women, starts there, and preserving the culture. Of course, Grand Ganesha Awards, and that shows up there, and environment, and of course, building sustainable thing for handlooms and the weavers and whatnot. Now, awareness for autism, ek awaaz. Yeah, so many things. I don't have any words to express. It's a complete person, and both are doing really good to you all. And proud to be associating with you. And I wish more Shakti, more power, more women will come in and bring change in the society. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.